The maximum number of nodes on level I of a binary tree. How to find maximum number of nodes on level? Okay. Formula is 2 power I minus 1. 2 power I minus 1. I greater than or equal to 1. This is the condition. In this example, level 0, level 1, level 2 and level 3. Okay. Condition is I greater than or equal to 1. So, we point to 1, 2, 3, 4. Formula is 2 power I minus 1. Here value is 1. 2 power I value is 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Anything power 0, 1. In this process, possible nodes is only 1. Second case, 2 power level I value is 2. 2 power 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 value is 1. 2 power 1 equals to 2. In this case, possible nodes 2. Then next one, 2 power 3 minus 1. 2 power 2. Value is 4. In this case, possible nodes 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next level. 2 power 4 minus 1. Then 2 power 3. Possible nodes 8. But in this example, only 2 nodes. But possible 8. Here missing E, F, G childs. Okay. 1, 2. In this case, E, F means 3, 4. F means 5, 6. Then G means 7, 8. Totally 8 possible nodes. But in this example, only appear 2. Okay. Only is maximum number of nodes possible on level means the formula is 2 power I minus 1. In this case, only applied in tree. Then second one is maximum number of nodes in a binary tree of depth k is. Formula is 2 power k minus 1. Here in this power minus 1. 2 power I minus 1. But in this case only 2 power k minus 1. K greater than or equal to 1. This is the example, full binary tree. 2 power k value is, this one is 1, then 2 level, then 3. 2 power 1. So 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Only in level 1 depth, only one node only possible. Then second case, 2 power 2 minus 1 equals to 4 minus 1. There are 3 nodes possible. In case depth 2 means k value 2 means how many nodes possible? 3 nodes. Then depth 3. In this place how many nodes possible? 2 power 3 minus 1. 2 power 3 8. 8 minus 1 7. There are 7 nodes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Likewise we will calculate depending upon the depth k. Formula is 2 power k minus 1. Next one is sometimes as number of leaf node is equal to what? Number of internal node, number of internal node plus 1, number of internal node minus 1, number of internal node plus 2. Which option is correct for that? In this example, internal node means what? It contains any one child. Okay. Here A also contains child. So A is an internal node. In this case, B does not have child. So consider leaf node. C contains child. So C node is an internal node. Internal node equals to leaf node. There are 3 leaf nodes here. B, D, E. 3. Okay. What option is possible here? Number of internal node plus 1 is equal to number of leaf node. Here number of internal nodes 1, 2. So 2 plus 1 equals to number of leaf node. Leaf node 1, 2, 3. So formula is number of leaf node equals to number of internal node plus 1. Here, which option is correct means second option, number of internal node plus 1. The next one is E equals to U comma V. In this graph representations, E indicate edges. E means edges. Take this example, U comma V means what? U to V. U adjacent to V. That is, U begins at U, then ends, V ends at ending point. U is the beginning point, V is the end point. Okay. Another possible names is U is called predecessor, V is the successor. Okay. In this edges, pointing edges, U predecessor. Same edge, V is the successor. Okay. Same applicable points, one is in degree and out degree. If particular node in point, that is head point means that is called in degree. Same edge to pointing the tail point, that is out degree. Head means in degree, tail means out degree. Okay. In this case, V1 pointing outside. In this edges, consider the V1 outside. So, this one is tail edge. You consider the point V2 means pointing in level. So, that is pointing head edge. Next one is directed graph. Directed graph means it contains arrow mark. Okay. That means directed graph or directed edge. Undirected graph means here no direction. So, this one is called undirected graph. 1 is possible to 2, 2 is also possible to 1. Next one is complete graph. Complete graph means an n vertex undirected graph with exactly n into n minus 1 divided by 2 edges. You consider any graph exactly contain n into n minus 1 divided by 2 edges means that is said to be complete. Okay. Take this example. There are 3 vertex in a complete graph because all edges connected with it itself. So this is a complete graph. To prove this example, this formula, okay, n into n minus 1 divided by 2. There are 3 vertex, so n value is equal to 3. 3 into 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 means values 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. An n vertex undirected graph with exactly n into n minus 1 divided by 2 edges. Okay. In this graph, how many edges? 1, 2, 3. In this formula, I applying formula. After that, I get answer 3. So, this is the complete graph. If n vertex undirected graph contain n into n minus 1 divided by 2 edges means that is said to be complete graph. Here one more example. In this example, there are 4 vertex. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 vertex. So, n value is 4. 4 into 4 minus 1 divided by 2. 4 minus 1 means 3. 4 3s are 12. 12 divided by 2. There are 6 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, this one is called complete graph because it satisfies the condition n into n minus 1 divided by 2 edges. So, this graph is called complete graph. In directed graph, last we discussed undirected graph. In directed graph, a directed graph on n vertices, the maximum number of edges possible, maximum number of edges possible means formula is n into n minus 1. Okay. Directed graph possible edges is n into n minus 1. In this example, directed graph, this is a directed graph because here mentioning the direction. Applying formula means there are 3 vertices, so 3 vertices, 3 into 3 minus 1, 3 2s are 6. Capacity, in this graph capacity is 6, but example contain only 3. But n vertices possible means n into n minus edges surely possible. Okay, so directed graph means possible edges n into n minus 1. Undirected graph means possible edges n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Then regular graph. Regular graph means if all its vertices have same degree. In particular graph, all vertices have same degree. If calculating A means also contains some value, B also contains some degree value, C also contains a degree value. But these 3 contain same degree value means that is called regular graph. In this example, 3 vertices, that is A, B, C. A vertex degree 1, 2, so degree 2. If we take a B vertex means 1, 2, so degree 2. Take C means 1, 2. Here in this example, A, B, C, 3 vertex have same degree value. A also contain 2, B also 2, C also 2. So if all its vertices have same degree means that is called regular graph. Null graph. A graph having no edges. No edges means that is called null graph. This is a null graph because here there are 3 vertex but no edges. So that is called null graph. Next one is trivial graph. A graph with only one vertex. A graph with only one vertex means that is called trivial graph. Here only one vertex, mentioning A. So that is called trivial graph. Next one is symbol graph. A graph with no loops and no parallel edges is called symbol graph. No loop. Loop means self loop. Okay. Parallel edges means A to B contain only one edges. Here more than edges or parallel edges. A to B also pointing, then as well as B to A means that is called parallel edges. Okay. A graph with no loops, no parallel edges means that is called simple graph. Next one is spanning tree. Spanning tree is a subset of graph G. Okay. But spanning tree does not have cycles. Spanning tree does not have cycles. It cannot be disconnected. Take this example. This is a connected graph. Okay. Connected graph or complete graph. Here there are 3 vertex. N value is also 3. Edges also 3. Okay. In a particular graph, how to convert or how to call spanning tree means n minus 1 edges. Here 3 edges. N minus 1 means 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So same graph contain only 2 edges means that is called spanning tree, because spanning tree does not have cycles. Cycles means this is the form of cycles form. Okay. All edges cover, all vertex are connected. This is a cyclic form, but spanning tree does not have cycles. So the rule is any connected graph with n vertices have n minus 1 spanning trees. N minus 1 spanning trees. Here 3 vertex connected with 3 edges, but spanning tree 3 possible. Can omit this edges also n minus 1. So this is also spanning tree. Here I am omit C to B edges means this one also n minus 1 edges, n minus 1 possible condition. So this also spanning tree. Here I omit A to B means also spanning tree because it's satisfy the condition n minus 1. So this is graph. This one is called spanning tree. Spanning tree rule is subset of graph then does not have cycles, it cannot be disconnected. Any connected graph with n vertices have n minus 1 spanning trees.